Hi everyone, I'm Deanna and you're watching Orchid. Welcome to the Global Virtual Orchid Show for 2020, and in front of us we've got Beallara Peggy Ruth Carpenter, and she's got a gorgeous spike there which is probably just about to go over. But you can see she's got 4 wild spidery looking flowers there. They're a purpley colour with very unique spots on all the petals and sepals and the lip as well. Some really beautiful patterning. Interestingly, my last set of blooms last year had a bit of yellow through it, so perhaps that showed a bit more in cooler weather and it goes a bit more pink and white in the summer months. It does have a very light, peppery sort of fragrance, but it's not too strong. And interestingly, I actually just discovered 2 new spikes that are emerging from a new growth that's actually still developing. And one of the spikes is coming from the center, so it'll be very interesting to see how that develops. Thanks for watching, bye!